Welcome to AI for Business, your daily update on everything happening in the world of AI news and AI tools. I'm your new host, and in this episode, we're exploring Anthropic's prediction about AI employees joining the workforce, how Huawei is stepping in to fill China's AI chip gap, Google's controversial payments to Samsung, and the Washington Post's new partnership with OpenAI. We'll also introduce an AI tool that helps businesses manage and track affiliate programs, and share a prompt tip to write catchier tweets, headlines, and titles by leaving blanks in your prompt. Let's start with a story that could change the workplace as we know it. Anthropic's Chief Information Security Officer, Jason Clinton, predicts that AI virtual employees will begin working on company networks within the next year. These won't just be simple chatbots or basic tools, but smart AI with their own company accounts, passwords, and even memories. Clinton says they will have jobs inside companies and will be able to make some decisions on their own, more than what current AI tools can do. This change brings major new security challenges that many organizations aren't ready for. Companies will need to determine how to manage AI account privileges, monitor access to sensitive systems, and establish accountability for actions taken by AI. In other AI news, Huawei Technologies is stepping in to help with China's shortage of AI chips. This happened after U.S. trade rules stopped Nvidia from selling to Chinese companies. Huawei plans to start mass shipping its new 9110C AI chip next month, with some units already sent out. Huawei built the chip by combining two 910B processors to reach a performance level close to Nvidia's powerful H100 chip. Huawei isn't stopping there. The company plans to release their next generation Ascend 920 chip later this year, which reports say will match Nvidia's H20 in performance. Just this month, the U.S. told Nvidia that it needs special export licenses to sell its custom H20 chips in China. Because of this, Nvidia is expecting a loss of up to $5.5 billion from unsold chips. This situation shows how U.S. restrictions are creating a gap in one of the world's biggest tech markets, pushing domestic alternatives to emerge. Next up in our AI news roundup, we've learned that Google is paying Samsung what court testimony describes as enormous sums each month to preinstall its Gemini AI app on devices. This was revealed during a U.S. Justice Department antitrust trial. Similar deals have already been ruled illegal in previous court cases. According to Peter Fitzgerald, Google's VP of Platforms and Partnerships, the contract that started in January 2025 includes fixed monthly payments to Samsung for each device pre-installing Gemini, plus a percentage of Google's ad revenue from the app. This isn't Google's first such arrangement with Samsung. Between 2020 and 2023, Google paid Samsung $8 billion for default placement of Google Search, Play Store, and Google Assistant. The courts have since found these practices violated antitrust laws. These deals raise concerns about fair competition because pre-installed apps can strongly influence which AI tools people end up using. Moving to another AI partnership, the Washington Post announced a new partnership with OpenAI, which lets the company include summaries and direct links to Washington Post articles in ChatGPT answers when users ask about related topics. When someone uses ChatGPT to ask about subjects the Post has covered, they'll now see article summaries, quotes, and links to the full stories. The goal is to make accurate information easier to access across topics like politics, world news, business, and tech. Peter Elkins-Williams, head of global partnerships at the Washington Post, stated they're all in on meeting our audiences where they are. While OpenAI's Varun Shetty noted that this helps ensure ChatGPT's 500 million weekly users get timely, trustworthy information. This partnership adds the Jeff Bezos-owned Post to OpenAI's growing list of media partners, which now includes over 20 major news publishers across more than 20 languages. It also highlights a different strategy from the New York Times, which is suing OpenAI over concerns about data use and copyright, rather than collaborating. Today's AI tool to try is Tapfiliate, a platform that helps you grow your business through affiliate marketing. Not only does it help you find affiliates to promote your products and services, but see how your affiliates are doing by tracking clicks, sales, and payouts. One helpful feature is automatic payments, so you don't have to pay affiliates manually, saving time and keeping your partners happy with fast payments. You can create a custom affiliate page with your logo and welcome message, so it looks like part of your brand. If you're building a partner program, Tapfiliate gives you the tools to do it easily and professionally. Link to try in the description. The prompt tip for today is about using blanks in your prompts for catchier responses. Instead of giving all the details, leave out a word or phrase and let the AI fill it in. For example, you could write, "This AI update is the biggest blank of the year." Then ask the AI what the missing word is and write 3 versions that would shock or excite the reader. This technique encourages the AI to think more deeply and often gives surprising, emotional, or clever results. It's especially useful for writing attention-grabbing headlines, social media posts, or marketing copy that stands out. That's all for today's AI for Business podcast. We hope the news, tools, and tips we shared help you navigate the rapidly changing world of artificial intelligence. If you found today's episode helpful, please consider subscribing so you never miss our daily updates. Sharing is another great way to support what we're doing here. We also read every review, so your feedback helps us bring content that matters most to you. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more AI news that matter.